Wallet, but not really a wallet. That's Web3. To explore the potential or join the world of Web3, you need a cryptocurrency wallet. Just as the Google Chrome browser serves as a gateway to connect you to the internet, a Web3 wallet serves as an entryway for you to interact with applications in Web3, also known as dApps. Welcome to Market Melody, the market rhythm. This is the 9th episode of What's in My Wallet. Understanding the role of traditional wallets and digital wallets as we know them today can help you understand the nature of a cryptocurrency wallet in Web3. Traditional wallets are physical, you keep them in your pocket or purse. These wallets are used to store credit cards, cash, driver's licenses, photos, or other documents. Digital wallets are wallet applications on your phone. Although not tangible, they are also used to store credit card information, money, online tickets, and online payment services. A cryptocurrency wallet or Web3 wallet is a type of digital wallet designed specifically for Web3. They help you manage access rights with people you share data with, store cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and more. At their core, whether physical or digital wallets, they both provide you with ownership rights and the ability to enforce them wherever you go. So how do you enforce your rights in Web3? A Web3 wallet is a means of storing and managing your identity, represented by digital keys. You need these keys to do anything on a blockchain network, connect to a dApp, send or receive cryptocurrencies, buy or sell NFTs, etc. Think of your wallet as a Web3 access control manager, where you grant access to the applications you want to use. The public address is the first way you identify yourself on the blockchain. It's like your bank account number. While your private key is like a PIN code to access your bank account, you don't want to share this information with anyone and it needs to be kept absolutely safe, right? Your Web3 wallet owns both of these keys to help you transact more easily and safely on the blockchain. What you can do with a cryptocurrency wallet. Connecto a dApp. Confirm transactions. Secure your assets. Grant access rights to dApps into a part of your decentralized identity. Buy and create NFTs. Vote on proposals recommendations. Create, build, and manage your Web3 identity. Approve and revoke access rights to the identity information you previously granted. A Web3 cryptocurrency wallet not only helps you store and manage crypto and NFTs, but also plays an important role in protecting your digital identity. By using a Web3 wallet, you can exercise your rights in the decentralized world and fully leverage the potential of blockchain technology. So we have just learned about Web3 wallets and their uses. Make sure you understand the security aspects of wallets and how to use them safely to access and experience your Web3 applications perfectly. Keep exploring, learning, and enjoying the opportunities that Web3 brings. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support the channel.